Section 3 Enter simple formula and function use cell reference. Create formula. Formula መፍጠር Formula are one of the most commonly used factor of Excel. ፎርሙላ ዋነኛው ፋክሽን ኦፍ ኤክሴል ውስጥ የሚሰራ ነው። They can be used to carry out simple addition and subtraction or far more complex mathematical calculation. በቀላሉ ለመደመር፣ ለመቀነስ ወይንም ከዛም በልጥም ለማባዛትም ያገለግላል። ኤክሴል uses standard operator for ኤክሴል ቋሚ የፎርሙላ ማባዣ ኦፕሬተር such as a plus sign for addition, minus sign for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, forward slash for division and a chart for exponent. ምሳሌውኑ ፕላስ ለመደመር፣ ማይነስ ለመቀነስ፣ ኮከብ ለማባዛት፣ ለማካረንት ለኤክስፖነንት። All formula in Excel must begin with a equal sign. የትኛውም ፎርሙላ በኤክሴል በኢኳል ሳይን መጀመር አለበት። This is because the cell contain or is equal to the formula and the value it calculate. ይህም የሚሆነው ሴል ስላለው ወይንም ለሆነ ፎርሙላ እና ቫሊዩን ተጠቅሞ ካልኩሌት ስለሚያደርግ። The order of operations ስንደረድር ኤክሴል calculates formula based on the following order of operation. ኤክሴል ፎርሙሎችን የሚደምረው ኤግዛሎችን ካልኩሌት አድርጎ ኦፕሽን የሚሰጠው ይቀጥላል። Number 1 operation enclosed in part tense. Number 2 exponent calculation or 3 on kind of 2 for example 3 multiplication and division whichever came first, or addition and subtraction whenever comes first. A mnemonic that can help you remember the order is DAS or please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Click the arrow in the slideshow below to learn how the order of operation is used to calculate formula in Excel. Operators. Operator is a sign or symbol that specifies the type of calculation such as addition, subtraction, multiplication. ኦፕሬተር ካልኩሌት ስናደርግ ምልክትና እርሚያን ተጠቅሞ ለመደመር፣ ለመቀነስ እናም ለማባዛት ያገለግላል። ኦፕሬተርስ divided in four: arithmetic operator, text operator, comparison logic operator, reference operator. ኦፕሬተር በአራት ይከፈላል። arithmetics operator, text operator, comparison ሎጂካል ኦፕሬተር፣ ሪፈረንስ ኦፕሬተር ናቸው። አርትሜቲክ ኦፕሬተሮች የሚባሉት ኦፕሬተር ሲምቦል፣ ሪፈራል፣ ብራኬት ኦፕሬተር ፈርስት፣ ኤክስፖኔንሻል ኦፕሬተር ሰከንድ፣ መልቲፕሊኬሽን፣ ዲቪዥን፣ አዲሽን and subtraction. Text operators is an ampersand symbol that used to concentrate or correct two pieces of text value into a single combined text value. Example: the two text operands should be enclosed with double quotation marks. Example: Micro and Soft produce the consistent word Microsoft. Comparison or logical operator is using comparison operator. You can compare two or more operands and produce the logical value true or false. Operates symbols equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to. Reference operator. Reference are actually cell address in the worksheet. Reference ሴልን ወደ ወርክሺት የሚያደርስልን ነው። ዘ ቤዚክ ኤምኤስ ኤክሴል ሪፈረንስ ኦፕሬተርስ አር ኮሎን a range reference that refers all cell or sheet between the end including the two reference specified. Command uname operator that combine multiple non-adjacent references into one reference. Single space, an intersection operator that produce one reference from the range that have reference in common. Exclamation mark used to separate sheet name from cell reference. There are two types of cell reference, relative and absolute. Relative and absolute refer behave different when combined and field to other cell. Relative reference change when a formula is combined to another cell. Absolute reference, on the other hand, rename constant no matter where they are copied. To create and copy a formula using relative reference. In the following example, we want to create a formula that will multiply each item price by the quantity. Instead of creating a new formula from each row, we can create a single formula in cell D4 and the copy is to the other row. We will use relative reference, so the formula calculates the total from each item correctly.